4 strokes of a 4-stroke diesel engine in 2 revolutions of the crankshaft are often displayed in a valve timing diagram. When you first see the diagram, it can appear complicated, so in this video we're going to explore what the diagram is telling us. First we have our cylinder with the piston at the top. When the piston is right at the top, that's top dead centre. When it's right at the bottom, that's bottom dead centre. This is the intake stroke, beginning just before top dead centre. There's the valve open. The piston is moving down, and the intake stroke begins about 10 degrees before top dead centre and ends just after bottom dead centre. The exact degrees depends on the engine and the manufacturer. Next comes the compression stroke. The piston is moving up. It begins about 25 degrees after bottom dead centre. Next, the power stroke, initiated by the injector, which fires just before top dead centre, just before the piston hits the top of the stroke. The expanding gases push the piston down, and then the exhaust stroke. In fact, the exhaust valve opens just before the piston hits bottom dead centre. Then the piston rises, pushing out the exhaust gases. The exhaust valve opens about 20 degrees before bottom dead centre. If you notice, it closes just after top dead centre. You may also have noticed that the air intake valve is open at the same time as the exhaust valve. It opens just before top dead centre, but the exhaust valve doesn't close until just after top dead centre. This is called valve overlap. This aids the efficiency of the engine. So just to recap, we have top dead centre and bottom dead centre. The intake stroke beginning just before top dead centre, while the piston's moving down. The compression stroke beginning after bottom dead centre. Then the power stroke with the piston moving down, and finally the exhaust stroke with the piston moving up. Short lines will show where and how many degrees before top dead centre or bottom dead centre each action is taking place. And there we are. Not so mysterious after all,